What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Norm, the crypto newbie. It's October 18th, and yeah, October 18th. Had to check. And it's been like a couple of days since the last pump with the AMPLEFORTH governance token. And if you're watching the charts right now on Coinbase or anywhere else, guys, you'll see the exact same thing is happening. It was down around $14, and in a matter of minutes, like 10, 15 minutes, it pumped right up to almost 20 bucks again, and it's slowly starting to come back down. So I just wanted to pop on and make a video. And for those that are not aware, will now be aware. If you're watching my videos, you'll see this crazy activity that's going on with the AMPLEFORTH governance token. So it's definitely something, guys, that if you are watching crypto markets, if you are interested in this project whatsoever, if you're interested in just a crazy way that moves happen on these crypto markets, it's definitely something you want to be putting your eyes on, because the AMPLEFORTH governance token is definitely catching someone's attention. For this token to be, pumping so fast and then dropping again, and then pumping so fast and dropping again. So it's definitely something going on with this token. Some people on Twitter are saying that it's a classic pump and dump. People, big whales, they will jump in at the $13, $14 mark. They'll pump the price up to $18, $19, $20, and then just start selling them off to make a very quick profit, which, you know what? Listen, guys, it's smart. If I was a whale, if I had millions of dollars and I knew that there was some great projects like the AMPLEFORTH governance token, why not? How can you get mad at a pump and dump? Like, really, in my opinion, how can you? Because I'm thinking about this from the, investors' perspective, from a greedy money person's, perspective like myself. I really do love money. So let's think about it. So if you have a shit ton of money, guys, if you sat there right now and you had a shit ton of money and you know that there was a really strong project with a great following and a lot of people who are interested, who follow this type of a project, wouldn't you do the exact same thing? Is it wrong? Is it immoral? Is it like an asshole move? Probably, yes. But think about it. If you can buy into a crypto project at $14, for example, pump the price up to $20, which is a $6, price raise in just a few minutes, and then you start selling them off again, guys, and you make like what, $5, $6 profit on every token that you picked up. Let's say you are a whale and you picked up 1 million of these tokens. You're making $5 or $6 million in a matter of freaking minutes. That's a new house for me. I'm going to get a new house. I'm going to get 2 new cars. I'm going to buy you all some food. We'll all go to the beach. I mean, I'm not saying that I support it. I just understand it. I really do. I'm not saying that, that it's something that, should be happening. But again, I totally understand it, guys. I mean, this is crypto, man. This is crypto. This is, a way for what are you guys doing here? You're all investing whatever you can afford, hoping that, you can make some quick money, right? So whale activity is definitely something that we're going to be seeing, in projects like this, because it is a project that's really, really, really strongly supported and has great potential and great legs, of course, and is not going anywhere. So we are definitely going to be seeing some activity like this. I think we see this in all these, these very strong projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You think that, whale activity is not happening in those as well? Of course it is. Look at over at Dogecoin, projects like that. Of course it's happening over there. Same thing that's going to happen here with the AMPLEFORTH governance token. So if I somehow comes into $25 million, guys, I'm going to buy up like $20 million worth of AMPLEFORTH governance tokens. And then I'm going to make like, a real quick $10 million. And we're all going to the beach on me, the crypto newbie. I might even buy some of you a car. I don't know. But anyway, listen, I just want to take a quick minute and pop in and look at the charts and see how things are going, and make sure that you guys have all your attention glued to the AMPLEFORTH governance token, because in my opinion, this is really just some more direct evidence, guys, that this token is headed for some big things in the future. Grab your tokens when you can. If you got lots of money and you can make some quick profit, go for it. I'm not saying, I support these pump and dump or these whale activities, but you know what? I totally understand it. Not saying I support it, saying I totally understand it. Because if you can make, in any kind of a situation, if you can make a quick, million, 2 million, 5 million, $10 million in a matter of 20 minutes, I'm doing it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm doing it if I can make some kind of quick money like that. So anyway, let's take a quick look over at the charts, see what the activity has been. And yeah, make sure you leave some comments down below, guys, and let me know. Maybe you think that, you know, what I'm saying is totally wrong, and this is the biggest problem with crypto today, the pumps and dumps and stuff like that. But you want to know something, guys? You tell me, stop for a second before you even answer, and tell me that if you were put in a position right now where you could make a quick $1 million, $5 million, $10 million, you wouldn't do the same thing? I don't know. Anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and thumbs up, and let's take a look at the charts. So yeah, guys, let's take a look here at the Coinbase chart, and we will see that in the last day, the AMPLEFORTH governance token has rose 12.7%. In the last week, look at this, basically 23% up in the last week. So that's really some good news, guys. What we really need to do, of course, right now is we need to try to break that level of resistance, which is around the $20 mark, and get that token back up and staying up over the $20 mark. This is exactly what, you know, we need to be aiming for, of course, with this token. And that's why I make these videos, because you want to know something. Who knows? Just by making these videos might be putting a few more investors, a few more people interested in this project. So I'm going to keep it up. Like them or love them, I don't really care. I'm going to keep on doing it. But I have about $3,000 invested in the AMPLEFORTH governance token right now. So if I can help 10x that money into $30,000, I'm going to do it. So anyway, let's take a look, guys. Over the last week, over the last day, look, we've had some crazy activity. $14. It's been sitting at all over yesterday around that same area, $13.95, $14.10, things like that. And then this morning, it seems like when everything got real sketchy there for a little bit, just started to rise a little bit, had a little dip down around 14. It seems like right around here at 2:35 a.m., around $14.41, everything got a little bit crazy. It seems like, and boom, 325. Rocket right to the moon of $19.78. So that was in a matter of 15 minutes. The price rose around $5 or so, and then in a matter of minutes again, it just started to slowly come down. But look, here we are sitting at over $16 for the price. So it hasn't come down a whole lot. It's come down a couple of dollars. But I mean, I think that if this is a pump and dump, and the reason I say that, and the reason I'm mentioning pump and dump, guys, is because that's what it seems like everybody is saying on Twitter and things like that, that this is why this is happening. It's just pumps and dumps. And you know what? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Like I said, I'm not supporting it. I understand it, again, because it just makes total sense. If you can make some quick money in crypto, I'm going to do that. You're going to do that. And for anyone out there saying who's not going to do that, then I don't know why you're even here, because we're all here for the money. I'm here for the excitement and the money and to get rich, and I'm looking for projects like this and doing my part in pushing them to the moon where they all say they should be. And you know what? That's exactly what we're gonna have to put up with. Some people, you know, got a lot more money than us, can make bigger moves than us, so we can sit back and grumble all day long about it. But you want to know something? If you were in those shoes, you would do the exact same thing. Don't tell me you wouldn't. You would do the exact same thing. So like I said, guys, we're still over $16 in price, which is pretty good news. The market cap right now is at 142 million. The volume is at pretty much 94 million in the last 24 hours. Look, up 610%. It seems like it is like definitely some whale activity, you know, happening, which is a pump and dump, of course. And, you know, but like I said, I think that this is definite clear evidence, guys, that this is definitely a project you need to be looking at. And you know what? This is probably a project that, you know what, if you can watch it closely enough, maybe, who knows, maybe you can get in on that activity as well. It doesn't mean, you know, that it's always a bad thing, because think about it. If you can watch this activity enough and and you can, you know, decipher when this is going to happen, I mean, you can make $5 for every token. Let's say you got $5,000 right now. You don't have 25 million, but let's say you got $5,000 or $10,000 to invest. When I'm actually stating right now, whenever you see the price of this token go down around $12, $13, somewhere in those ranges, grab up as many as that your investment portfolio can afford. And then as soon as you see the price happening, you know, the crazy activity happening, why not make yourself a quick $5, $6 on every token that you picked up? Why not? I mean, it's a great way to, you know, make some quick profits, you know, when it comes to the crypto markets. It's definitely something that I've been trying to start figuring out how to do myself. So if that's what you can do and you have $5,000, $10,000, jump at it, guys. That's what I'd say. Do, and start making some money off this whole crypto, thing is yourself. Right now, the circulating supply is still at 8.9 million in supply, and the trading activity is, for, as you can see yourself, 42% buy, 58% sell. But anyway, guys, like I said, take a look over onto Twitter, and basically that's what everyone is saying right now. This is like, some are saying that this is a pump and dump. Some people are saying that this is clear evidence that, of course, that the fourth token is headed to the moon, where everybody is hoping and praying that it's going to go. And of course, it is definitely a good sign, guys, that you don't want to be passing this project by. It's definitely something that's making big moves. This is the second time this week. Like I said, look at this. Let's look over the last week. Look, a pump right here on October the 15th. It went from, I made a video about it, to $13 up to right up to $20. And here we are again, only a couple of days later, was down around to $14 and went up to, it went up close to $20 again. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. Leave your comments down below, whatever you think is going on with the AMPLEFORTH governance token. What do you think, of my opinion on the whale activity? Do you think I'm an asshole for saying that? It's my opinion, guys. This is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. And I'm just telling you the straight up honest truth. I'm not going to be, sugarcoating any of this. I can honestly say that if I had $50 million and I was looking to make that $50 million into $100 million, I'd be definitely looking at the crypto markets right now and finding great projects like this where I can make some quick money. And yeah, so like I said, I don't support it because the smaller people like us really are the ones that really get affected and get our hopes up and get our hopes dashed and shit like that. But you know what, it is what it is. This is crypto, guys. So anyway, that's it for me. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are, of course, staying safe and doing your due diligence and not getting caught for any rug pulls or situations or bad situations like that with these crypto markets. And as always, guys, like I say, remember, boom, smart investing.